Good evening. I hope you all had a nice tea. Thank you very much for being here this evening for this evening session. As you know, today we are trying to bring together a mock trial for a patent infringement suit in India. The intention of today's mock is to achieve a couple of things. Number one is to give you a demo and experience of what goes on in a patent infringement suit in this country. Of course, while a live case can take anywhere from months to years depending on the fora it is at, the idea today, this evening, is to capture some key proceedings and some key important issues that are critical during the course of a patent infringement suit in this country. What we will also look at this evening is the strategies and the decision making that goes on at patentee's end before or while they decide to institute a suit for infringement. Of course, they also need to be mindful of the fact that they can be countered and challenged at any stage of the suit. So this trial will also look at their preparedness for that. Coming quickly to the subject matter of today's mock trial, and as you could see, you have some handouts on your tables. We also have kept the demo pieces on the center table there, as well as a cutout demo right here. So very briefly describing the subject matter of today's trial that we're looking at. The patentee's product is a tissue box which has the centerpiece as the dispensing unit, which has a certain shape to it and is made up of thermoplastic material. On the other hand, the alleged infringer or the defendant here has a similar looking tissue box but with a slightly different dispensing unit. So today's trial will basically look at the fact as to whether the defendant's product, the allegedly infringing product, is infringing on patentee's product, which is covered by the independent claim of the patent. I would also like to mention here that the patentee in today's trial, or the plaintiff, is a large-sized multinational corporation, whereas the defendant or the allegedly infringing side is a local homegrown company based out of Chennai. This mock of today will be brought to you by our team at K&S. Just quickly introducing them to you. The plaintiff or the patentee will be represented by Mr. R. Shivkumar.
Hi.
He will represent the company as an inventor and director. His counsel will be played by Mr. Saurabh Anand.
Good evening, everyone.
The defendant or the alleged infringer will be Mr. Ravi Bhola. And his counsel will be Ms. Namrata Chadda. The honorable judge, both at the district court and high court level, will be Mr. Satyam Rathore.
Hello, good evening.
And I, Durgesh Mukhaya, will be a narrator for the evening and will also play a short role of local commissioner during the cross-examination proceedings. So without much ado, let's directly jump into this. Let's start the proceedings today by looking or by hearing out the director or the inventor of this patent, and let's listen in to something that has caused him some concern. Over to you.
Hello, everyone. Myself, Shiv Kumar. I represent Tyson Inc. Tyson Inc. Is one of the well-known leading companies in the segment of consumer care products. So a range of products we manufacture and we sell across the globe. One such product which is very important for us is called Cleanse, which is a box of tissues, and that is covered by way of patent IN 123456, which I think you will come across in some time. So we have been selling this product both online and offline since 2008, and the sales of this product has exponentially increased since 2008, since when we started marketing the product. So when I say exponentially increased, in turn the revenue generation also has increased. However, what we have seen is a dip in sales in 2017. So a statistics which shows that sales from 2008 to 2017. So dip in sales, marketing team got into the picture. They made some investigation and they figured out that the dip in sales of our product, Cleanse, is because of the identical product which is also sold in the market by Ville Private Limited called Vipes. So based on the statistics of 2016, we also projected the figure for next 5 years. But this 2017, the picture of the sales of 2017 came across as a shock for us. So that is when we got involved, our counsel, Mr. Saurabh Anand, who also has collected some information from legal perspective. Saurabh, can we discuss about that?
Good evening, everyone.
It is.
Hi, Shiv.
Hi.
Good evening, everyone. We have been thoroughly briefed by your team regarding the sale of the allegedly infringing products.
Right.
That is Vipes by one of the allegedly infringers, Wiley Private Limited, based out in Chennai. Based upon the information provided, we have also procured information from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and these are the certificate of incorporation, if you can just see.
Yeah.
Suggests that they were recently been incorporated in November 2016. After that, with a bare minimal capital of INR 5 lakhs.
Okay.
However, this also suggests that they don't have any further branch offices other than Chennai. Going ahead, we also sought help from other legislations like Right to Information Act. And you'll be shocked to know that they are not only manufacturing within the jurisdiction of India, but also they are exporting.
Oh.
If you can just see the replies what we have received from the customs
Okay.
authorities,
Okay.
it suggests that in 2018 January they have exported in US, Singapore, China,
Right.
where I believe we have a pretty decent market.
Yes, we do have across the globe.
Exactly. We further dig down and file RTI information to Ministry of Environment and Forest Science. Basically, before incorporating any company, you would require certain kinds of clearance from certain ministries, and since this is a chemical industry, so it sought clearance for disposal of certain different kinds of materials. It was shocked to know that in October 2016, that is just 1 month before the incorporation, they got this clearance.
Okay.
Going further, we also sought an on-ground investigation, and we procured the products, and as we are already aware.
Yes, our team was in the picture to get it tested. Yes.
Exactly. We got the product tested in-house lab, and what the lab suggested that the infringing product or the allegedly infringing product, Vipes, squarely falls within the scope of the granted patent. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's a good thing. Good news for us at least. Yeah.
Exactly. So as we discussed, we have also sought an expert opinion from the professor of Institute of Packaging, Dr. Bhatt, and he is also of the same opinion that this product, Vipes, clearly falls within the scope of suit content.
Saurabh, I'm a technical person.
Yes.
And I cannot produce the affidavit.
Definitely, you are not only a technical person, but also the inventor of the same.
Yes.
But
that's
in
what.
Courts, prima facie, it is advisable to proceed with a neutral third-party expert.
Okay.
Just to remove certain kind of prejudice within the judge that since this is an in-house expert, it might be biased towards the plaintiff company. That is the only reason we suggest that we should move ahead with certain neutral experts who would backing our in-house studies.
Okay.
So that's how we are right now on the ground reality.
Right.
So in this scenario, considering the loss in sales, what we have incurred in 2018 as well as projected losses,
yes,
the best course of action, what we could suggest is filing a suit for patent infringement.
Wait, I thought we should start with legal notice.
Legal notice will definitely your in-house legal counsel must have briefed about it, but there are certain repercussions involved to it. Once we should have legal notice, they will come across that we might be filing a suit against it. Meaning thereby, they might file a caveat petition.
Okay.
The petition is, they will file a petition before the court so that any suit or any order should not be passed without giving a prior notice to them. Okay. In these circumstances, the first injunction, that is called ex parte ad interim injunction, that meaning thereby, in the absence of the infringer, there are possibilities we might lose that opportunity.
Okay, so I mean, I'll go with your advice. You are the best person to judge as to what is the further course of action we need to take.
Definitely.
So let's go ahead with the filing of the suit. And let me know what other.
I would advise you 3 things over here.
Yeah.
We have to maintain as much as confidentiality we can till the filing of the first suit. Since this is a grey market area because the tissue box is available not only online but also offline. there are possibilities the news might go in the market.
I understand.
Yes.
So, I mean, I assure absolute confidentiality. You prepare whatever documents is required,
Very well.
are required, and we can go ahead with
And
that.
we'll be filing the suit in Bangalore, considering we are based on US, but we have marketing team here.
Right.
And now we are procuring the infringing product from the jurisdiction of Bangalore, although they are situated in Chennai. But both the courts in Chennai, as well as all other courts
Okay.
where the infringing products are available, will be having jurisdiction to try to fight.
So, wait, wouldn't that be a problem? They are located in Chennai, we are in Bangalore.
Laws have matured enough to suggest that suit can be filed firstly where the defendant have been incorporated or voluntarily gained the voluntary work or gain of business, as well as for wherever the infringing products are available.
Okay.
And plus we have a commercial courts in Bangalore. That means you will get a speedy trial, and we Bangalore particularly we have an IP designated bench as well. So
Okay.
in all likelihood I would suggest to go with proceeding suit infringement in Bangalore, considering all these probabilities.
All right. Then we'll go ahead with filing the suit in Bangalore. We'll see how it
Very
proceeds.
well.
Yeah.
Let's draft the draft
Sure.
and share it off with you.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.